Hi, I'm Wilson Fay, a student attorney with UW-Madison's Law and Entrepreneurship Clinic. I'd like to welcome you to the Small Business Development Center's Entrepreneurial How-To video series. Today I'm going to answer some questions you might have about worker classification. Question 1. What's the difference between an employee and an independent contractor? A worker who has their work and schedule controlled by an employer is an employee. A worker who gets paid for projects and works when and where they want is an independent contractor. Question 2. How do I know if a worker is an independent contractor? There are several tests at the state and federal level to help you make that determination. The tests generally provide that a worker is an independent contractor if they use their own equipment to perform the work, are employed by other clients often at the same time, set their own hours and schedule, and work on a project or service basis. Question 3. If I determine a worker is an employee, is there any other classifications I should be aware of? You'll also need to determine if the employee is eligible for overtime pay. Exempt employees are not eligible for overtime, and non-exempt employees are eligible for overtime. Generally, an exempt employee is paid a fixed salary at least equivalent to $35,568 a year and has independent decision-making authority, an advanced degree, or manages a team of people. A non-exempt employee is paid a salary or hourly wage that is at least equal to the federal minimum wage. They have defined job duties that do not require decision-making, an advanced degree, or management responsibilities. Let me give you an example of an exempt and non-exempt employee. Bob is paid $10 per hour for each hour he works. He's a packer on an assembly line. Bob would be a non-exempt employee. Mary has a master's degree in marketing communications and is paid a salary of $40,000 per year. Her job involves working with clients of her employer to develop branding strategies for their products. She does what she needs to get the job done and does not count her hours. Mary is an exempt employee and would not be eligible for overtime. Now that you've got a good introduction on worker classifications, check out the rest of the SBDC Entrepreneurial How-To video series to help you build your business.